Keep working it, keep working it.
This is the third semester we've held this class, and the impetus for all this is the Flight Academy Scholarship that Headquarters Air Force JROTC established last year. And so they're offering $25,000 for cadets to go fly a plane for 8 weeks at various universities like Liberty University up in Virginia.
This just goes here.
Right now we're taking it apart and we're trying to get all the stuff that's broken so we can get new stuff and fix it.
All right, there's one.
Which part are you looking more forward to? Are you glad that you're kind of being able to like take it apart, see the guts, see how it works, or are you ready to put it back together and make it?
I want to do both because they're both extremely cool. I like engines and building stuff.
I think it's pretty cool. I like it because it's like something I never did before. I worked on a car with my dad before, but doing an airplane is just like a different experience. It's a lot more parts.
They kind of get into this and are kind of liking it. So the hope is that we could touch the heart and soul of maybe just one of these kids that would latch on to this idea of aviation in whatever aspect, from pilot to mechanic to behind the scenes, whatever. And if they were to pursue that in an aviation career, to me, that's a success. That is a success.